Now on to the benefits of cloud computing. What are the benefits of cloud computing? Well, there are a lot of them. This slide displays a terminal, cache savings, scalability, reliability with the 5 nines, performance, and security. Cloud computing is very affordable for users. For one, the service is centralized and standardized, and the user can pay for it on a monthly basis just like they do for the utilities they use. The user also only needs a terminal device with minimal software and hardware and a connection to the internet or a network connected to the internet. This makes it very affordable for the user and allows the user to be able to take care of computing power that the average user could not obtain on his or her own. Cloud computing is very dynamic and supports many platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Cloud computing is also very scalable, which means it can grow or shrink easily. This allows the cloud to be very dynamic due to the architecture and allows for real-time changes and updates. To expand on the scalability, crowdsourcing is an important aspect of cloud computing because services are quickly developed because large groups of people and/or service providers can simultaneously develop and distribute the service or services. Another benefit is redundancy. In the cloud, if a service breaks or is unavailable, chances are there is another service that can be relied upon and will be provided to the user seamlessly. Performance is a huge benefit to cloud computing. The service in the cloud can be monitored and controlled continuously, so similar to variable displacement engines, the technology allows the system to change depending on needed bandwidth for each service. Performance is also due to the architecture of the system, which is similar to the Unix philosophy where each component is responsible for doing one thing really well and then coordinating with each other to perform a task or service. This allows the system to be managed better, debugging fixes updates are much easier, and the probability of the system being stable is higher because when a component fails, it is less likely to bring down the entire system, similar to what we've all seen with the blue screen of death and the problems we've had with Windows. Finally, security can be a benefit of cloud computing. The reasoning is that due to centralized location of the data storage, security is more affordable, so better quality security can be used, and there is a single entrance and exit point for this data.